Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Word document and moving to the blank page. Once there, switch to draft or print layout so you can see what's occupying space. Make sure Show /Hide Paragraph Marks is on so you can spot empty paragraphs, manual page breaks, and section breaks. You'll remove only what's necessary, so inspect whether a paragraph symbol, a page break, or a section break is creating the extra page before you delete anything. Now you remove the elements creating the blank page. If you see empty paragraph marks, select them and press Delete or Backspace. Short presses remove the gap. If a page break is present, right-click it and remove. If a section break causes a blank page, change the break type or delete it carefully. This can affect headers and footers. Once done, use the navigation pane's Pages view to confirm the blank page is gone, and that surrounding content remains correctly formatted. Finish by addressing layout settings that can leave a trailing blank page. You may shrink spacing, disable widow/orphan control for a paragraph, or slightly adjust margins so content fits without an extra page. If headers or footers shift, change a section break to continuous instead of next page to preserve layout. Once finished, save a copy and check Print Preview to confirm the blank page is gone. If a blank page persists, undo recent changes and recheck for invisible section breaks under Show/Hide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.